Hello. Hi, I'm Christian Lee.
Where are you from, Christian?
I am from London.
Do you have a day job?
I do have a day job. It's a magician.
Christian, are you married?
I am engaged.
To who?
To someone who's going to be my wife.
Do you have kids together?
Yeah, they're in the car outside, so...
OK, when you're ready, off you go.
OK, I'm going to need an assistant. One of you judges will be that. And it's going to be you, Amanda.
Needs to be helped up the stairs these days.
Kindly hold the cards. That's all you have to do. Even better. Last night I had a dream. A dream that you and I would be standing together here on stage. We were holding hands. That's right, willingly. And swaying to the music. It was a kind of out-of-time sway, but eventually we found our rhythm. You wanted to go all the way and name a card into the microphone. A card. Just name a card. But before you got there, there was a loud voice. It was my voice, and the dream was over. I did remember, though, the card that you nearly said. In fact, I'm going to use my mind powers. Could I have my mind-enhancing device, please?
There you go. There you go, sir.
Pop this on like this. Here we go. Time to put the card into your mind.
OK.
Amanda, name the card that is now in your mind.
The Six of Hearts.
Six of Hearts, you say. If you could just take the one card that is the only card facing the other way around, take it out, slide it out, and show them, and live the dream.
It is the Six of Hearts. How did you do that?
How I did it is not so important. It's how I'm going to get this balloon off. If you could just come round here and just grab me round the waist. Come on, come on.
Yeah, I like that. That was very good.